Yeah, you tossed it somewhere because you used the other one. It's right there. That's the one you cut. You threw it by ladder, you forgot it, you went back out the other one. Hoping it fits.
I really don't like the fit of that. You know what? I'll deal with that later. I don't like that. Everything's full, huh?
Why don't you stop going? I was gonna say, why don't you use one back here, but one of these they have little lines to them.
What?
I was gonna ask, why don't you use one of these ones back here, but they
already have a job, that's why they're laying there. I will come back and put that one in later. I'm not worried about it right now. What I am going to do while I'm over here, I do on any normal shed. Now, between each one of these, did you see how it moved in? You just hold it tight so there's no. It needs to be done in the front and the rear of the shed, especially because that doesn't have a plate. But we'll do that when we nail the rake boards on in a few moments. I'm just nailing this. I normally would be done with that. I'm just nailing this while I'm here, down here with the nail gun with the trim gun. Go in and hit a knot. Did you see it? You see it? Hit a knot.
Oh, yeah.
Ask if it keeps it tight and bugs on there, tell them yes. They have issues with the word bug. They don't even say insects, they say bugs. You know what? Everyone calls bugs aren't even bugs, they're insects. Only thing that's ever really been called a bug is a bed bug. I'll learn that up. I'll read up on that. I learned that one. We'll go ahead and nail these while we're here. Before we can go up high. There's only two on the front. Limited amount all over here. We already know that. And our rake board is right there.
Did you bring the jacket out here?
Well, let me finish this.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
just nail these rake boards. We'll be in a good position for all of them. Rake boards are relatively easy. I'll start on the left side. I'm only working off a ladder, so I'll move my ladder once for this. Once the top of this corner board. And one nail right there flush with the top of the plywood. It pretty much all the trim runs flush with the top of the plywood. Everything's flush on top pretty much. I designed it on purpose like that. Well, I did not design work out on purpose, but that cable sheeting being taller right there than down here ½ inch. I made a boo-boo when that happened. But it works. The really vital point on that is, anyway, is the outside where it meets is the correct height and the point. It just holds everything where it belongs. Just holds everything at the right elevation pretty much. And this is a little bit low. I'm going to tap that one down. Oh, and I run out of this at the most inopportune turn in the world. Only more inopportune it gets is if I actually have to damage a nail because it's going to fall anyway to go down to get my other nail. That sucks. That's bad enough you got to take it and throw it over the ground, but then you got to take a nail out and after you let it fall off and you're like, oh, I'm ripping off this. Look me mad. And it's really cool when the nail gun stops working, right? And you get mad and keep banging on the roof and tearing stuff up. Right? I like to with the roof gun. You can break one of them back real quick, and that's it.
Are you gonna need this?
Break everything on the back real quick, and then after that we'll fall.
Oh, I thought you needed that. I was gonna bring it.
We don't need video of me going back and putting that piece of oil on it. It's pretty short. Spend $2.07 and cut it again. Or don't. I don't care. In my world, that's an extra thing for them to look, cock their eye at when I'm trying to get paid. It is what it is, right? That's it.